Well, they must have heard my complaint, and I'm taking full credit for the newest DeWALT tool because it finally solves this huge problem. Looks like DeWALT wants to do big things in 2021, and if you want to do something big, you can head on over to the merch store where you can get the hottest t-shirts and hats in the tool tuber game. Link is in the description below. Welcome back to all of you that have been here before, but if this is your first time here, my name is Vince. Welcome to you especially. For years, I have talked about some of my favorite air compressors being offered by DeWALT tools. Say what you may, but their parent company, Stanley Black & Decker, can most likely be credited with having one of their air compressors on almost every construction site here in America. Whether it's a Porter Cable, Craftsman, DeWALT, they have a huge presence in the marketplace. This unit is over a decade old. It still runs, all the knobs and switches are fully functioning, the drain cock can be a little wonky, but still operates just fine. I mean, look at this thing. This has earned me a ton of money over time. I mean, you know, the cord's got a little miles on it, but everything still works perfectly. We got two couplers here, so you could run two nailers at a time. There's nothing wrong with our adjustment knob. Our gauges are clearly visible. I'll even plug it in so you can hear it turn on. But I need my extension cord. You might not need your extension cord anymore though. See right back here? We have our little switch. It can be kind of loud though. So you can see our tank pressure is up to not quite 150 pounds, probably about 148 pounds. Our regulated pressure, which is nice to have both gauges here, okay, we're right in around the 123 pound range. And that pressure is all I really need to run my nailers. You can see how long that actually took us to get full, up to pressure. But we do have our quick adjustment knob. And if we turn it up, you can see we quickly adjust our pressure, our regulated pressure. Now everything else works just fine. On here, the only thing that you'd need to see is the cock, which you'll see works perfectly fine. A lot of times people will have problems with their compressor because they don't drain it all the way every time they use it. Condensation builds up inside this tank and the tank rusts from the inside out, but I haven't had that problem. So make sure you drain your tank for long-lasting use. Your compressor could run a decade or two. There's a little moisture because there's moisture in the air. The compressor compresses that moisture and it builds up in that tank. That's why it's always good to leave that petcock open. If you didn't know, now you know. A whole bunch of you, the very cool gang, has asked me my opinion on the DeWALT FLEXVOLT pancake compressor over the years, and honestly, I can never tell you my thoughts because I didn't own it. And the price of entry always seemed expensive, and I just didn't own enough FLEXVOLT batteries to justify grabbing it. And quite frankly, I couldn't understand why DeWALT needed to put that compressor on the FLEXVOLT 60 volt max platform anyway. I mean, Milwaukee Tool has an air compressor of similar size that's 18 volts, and DeWALT's own sister company, Craftsman, has a very similar sized compressor that runs on their 20 volt max platform. I mean, What's the problem, DeWALT? This is awesome news for you because I know you've been waiting for this. DeWALT announces the 20 volt max 2.5 gallon cordless air compressor with FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE Technology. It's product number DCC2520. And when paired with DeWALT's FLEXVOLT batteries, the compressor delivers a maximum of 140 psi, allowing up to 81% more nails per cycle and more than 1,100 linear feet of shoe molding per charge. Good news is it doesn't need to be run on FLEXVOLT batteries, but let's keep going. The one-turn regulator allows users to precisely adjust the regulated pressure quickly and efficiently without manually gauging pressure. And with a cordless compact design at just 21.5 pounds, bare tool, the compressor can be easily transported, carried, and stored without the hassle of extension cords and power sources. When paired with 20 volt max batteries, a max PSI of 125 is achieved. The compressor is compatible with all 20 volt max and 20 volt, 60 volt max DeWALT FLEXVOLT batteries for versatility and convenience. And there it is, DeWALT tool users on the 20 volt max platform finally got the problem solved. Their problem solved. It's a real shame though that it took until 2021, but hey, better late than never. Made in the USA with global materials, the 20 volt max 2.5 gallon cordless air compressor with FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE Technology is ideal for general contractors, remodelers, finish carpenters, and cabinet and trim installers, and can be paired with DeWALT staplers, finish nailers, brad nailers, pin nailers for a wide variety of fastening applications. The brushless motor and oil-free pump provide efficiency and long compressor life, while the covered on and off switch and heavy-duty roll cage offer durability on the job site. The compressor also has 1.0 SCFM Plus for quick fill-up and only 80 decibels while in use. The 20 volt max 2.5 gallon cordless air compressor with FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE Technology will be sold as a bare unit, product number DCC2520, for $199, or as a kit, product number DCC2520T1, which includes a DeWALT 6 amp hour battery and charger for $299 MSRP. And if you like, when DeWALT tool finally solves a huge problem with their 20 volt max battery platform and gives you the innovation that you've been asking for in their compressor lineup, then smash the like button, because I'm taking full credit for this, and it's free for you to do, and you'll get 7 years of good luck. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. Hope to see you on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here in the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.